Hello everyone, I am Muhammad Anas and by the grace of Allah I have secured rank second in Muslim category of Jamia Millia Islamia BLB entrance exam of 2025. The journey was not easy, it has some its own kind of struggles and hurdles that really felt low sometimes, but there were also some kind of positive support system that helped me a lot in this journey, and one of the most important support system that really sustained itself throughout the journey and beyond is Mafik. One of the most striking features of Mafik is that the whole faculty is run by the alumni and law students of Jamia Millia Islamia itself. Thanks to this, they really rate with us because they have been going through the same process we are going through us and they really connect with us. So any of my friends who aspire to become a lawyer and want to be from Jamia Millia Islamia, the Mafik is really a good option to achieve their aim. Thanks.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Rumshi Sharik. I secured a rank of 3 in JMI BLLB entrance examination in Muslim category regular batch. I done my schooling from Sayyid Abid Hussain Senior Secondary School, Jamia Millia Islamia this year and then started preparing for JMI BLLB entrance examination for approx 2 months. I'm a student of Mafik Super 30 batch, an academy for law entrance examination. And at the end, I would like to thank the Mafik team for their guidance and their specialized material. And my special thanks to the teachers, Kaf sir, Mudassir sir, Wajahat sir and Asaf sir for their guidance and mentorship. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Farhan Akhtar and Alhamdulillah, I am grateful to share that I have secured 11th rank in the Muslim category of Jamia Millia Islamia's BLLB entrance this year. I was a part of Mafik Super 30 batch and I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to the Mafik team for their consistent support and guidance throughout this journey. The mock test in particular were extremely helpful to not only help me assess my preparation but also gave me the confidence to face the actual exam. The result would not have been possible without the contribution of Mafik team and I will be always thankful for that. Jazakallah khair to the entire Mafik team and all the mentors and my fellow aspirants who were part of this journey. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum everyone, myself Anam Nafis and I am super excited to share that I have cleared the entrance exam for BLLB program at Jamia Millia Islamia. This wouldn't have been possible without the constant support and guidance I have received from Mafik. A big thank you to all the amazing teachers, your classes, the mocks and your strategy. Everything played such a big role in my preparation. You guys made the law entrance preparation feel less scary. Every session, every doubt you cleared and the motivation you gave, it all mattered so much. I truly feel lucky to have been a part of Mafik. Thank you for believing in me and helping me believe in myself. This achievement is as much yours as it is mine. Thank you, Mafik.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Aman and I secured the 17th rank under Muslim category regular batch in BLLB program in Jamia Millia Islamia. I completed my school with science background, so when I joined Mafik in January 2025, I had zero prior knowledge to any subject related to the entrance. Mafik helped me a lot with building my concepts from basics to advanced. Every teacher and all other team members of Mafik were very helpful. This journey was almost impossible for me. I had to prepare for my entrance exam and alongside with my studies in college as well. But with Mafik, it became possible. With Mafik, everything is possible.
Hello everyone, my name is Muskan and I am really happy to share that I have secured rank 18 in Muslim category for JMI BLLB regular batch. A big part of this achievement goes to Mafik, not just for the classes but for the environment, the discipline and the constant to push to better. I am really thankful to my teachers, Kaf sir, Wajahat sir, Asaf sir and Mudassir sir for their dedication, support and hard work. This journey with Mafik was one of the best experiences of my life and I will always be grateful for it. Thank you very much for helping me and turn my dream into reality.
Assalamu alaikum, I am Sani Farhan and I have secured rank 1 in Muslim OBC category in Jamia Millia Islamia BLLB entrance exam 2025. I would like to convey my deepest gratitude to all the faculty members of Mafik as they have played a pivotal role in my journey. I'd like to appreciate Kaf sir, Polity and GK faculty at Mafik as his classes were very interactive and his way of teaching was remarkable. At times, it used to feel like he was working harder than us for our selection. Also, I'll be very grateful to Wajahat sir, Osaf sir, Mudassir sir, and Ragib sir. As I was someone who had always struggled with current affairs, Mudassir sir's class notes and classes were a boon for me. I'd also like to thank Anaya Appi, my mentor, who has always been helpful and had been consistent throughout my journey in solving my doubts. Lastly, I definitely recommend this reputed institute to all the aspiring students aiming for Jamia and AMU, and I'd always cherish my time here. Thank you.
Everyone, this is Zibran Khan. I had been a student of MAFIC for the 2025 batch. I have secured All India rank 6 in Muslim OBC category. I would like to share my experience with the MAFIC team, whether it would be the teachers or the mentors out there. It was really a wonderful experience being under all the teachers, especially the Wajahat sir and the Kaf sir. I personally love the way of the teaching of the teachers out there, like creating a very simple and easy map for just to crack the exam. And what helped me the most out there was the guidance of Kaf sir, like guiding us at every point, at every step in the exam. So it was really a wonderful experience being with them. So thank you to all the members there, the MAFIC team, the Kaf sir and the Wajahat sir. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Navish Musa. I am a student of MAFIC batch 6.0. As a student of MAFIC, I had the experience of learning from the best faculty. Their support and guidance played a pivotal role in helping me clear the Jamia BLLB entrance with all India rank 1 in Muslim women category. The comprehensive study material for length lessons and daily quizzes helped me to stay on track, assess my knowledge and build confidence. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Mr. Kaf sir, Mudassir sir, Wajahat sir and Asaf sir for their unwavering support and encouragement. Thank you student faculty members for believing in me and helping me achieve this milestone. I am forever grateful.
Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Nazia and this year I have secured ranks in both AMU and Jamia Law Entrance exam. Talking about MAFIC, मैं MAFIC की स्टूडेंट रह चुकी हूँ एंड मैं सुपर 30 बैच में थी. MAFIC का लॉ एंट्रेंस का एग्जामिनेशन 29 दिसंबर को हुआ था. उसके बाद हमारी क्लासेस 15 जनवरी से बिल्कुल रेगुलर चल रही थी. टॉकिंग अबाउट फैकल्टी, एवरीवन वाज टू गुड. सब अपने अपने फील्ड में एक्सपर्ट थे. लीगल की बात करें तो वजाहत सर ने सब कुछ इतना आसान कर दिया था. हम लीगल पहली बार पढ़ रहे थे बट ऐसा लग नहीं रहा था कुछ बहुत हार्ड एंड टफ है. उसके बाद जीके एंड करंट अफेयर्स मुदस्सिर सर ने बिल्कुल प्रिसाइजली नोट्स बनाए हुए थे, वहीं से हमें पढ़ाया और कुछ भी बहुत एक्स्ट्रा नहीं करवाया. हमारा टाइम भी बिल्कुल क्लासेस का कम रहता था क्योंकि जीके एंड करंट अफेयर्स नेवर एंडिंग चीज़ें हैं. कितना भी पढ़ लीजिए कुछ छूट ही जाएगा बट उनके नोट्स से काफ़ी हेल्प हुई. मैथ्स की बात करें तो आसाफ सर ने भी हमें बहुत अच्छे से मैथ्स पढ़ाया. मैं ह्यूमैनिटीज़ बैकग्राउंड से बिलोंग करती हूँ बट मुझे कभी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आई. लास्टली कैफ सर, क्वालिटी पढ़ाई उन्होंने और मैनेजमेंट देखा. उन्होंने हर बच्चे को अपना उसके परफॉर्मेंस के हिसाब से एनालाइज किया, उनको सजेशन दिया, टिप्स दिया और उनके गाइडेंस की वजह से हमें काफ़ी बेनिफिट पहुंचा. मैं फिर एक बहुत ऑर्गेनाइज्ड तरीके से पढ़ाता है. एक स्केड्यूल है, यहाँ पे सब कुछ का ध्यान रखा जाता है, चाहे वो मॉक्स हो, स्टूडेंट की परफॉर्मेंसेस हो, कुछ भी हो. लास्टली मैं ये बोलना चाहूँगी कि ये सब कुछ भी मैफिक के बिना नहीं हो पाता. मतलब मैफिक ज्वाइन करना मेरा बहुत अच्छा डिसीजन था. दैट्स वाई मेरा कोई भी एग्ज़ाम क्लियर हो पाया है. सो थैंक यू टू ऑल द फैकल्टी मेम्बर्स.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Hajra, student of MAFIC 2025 batch, and I am deeply grateful that I have been selected for the BA LLB course regular batch at Jamia Millia Islamia University, and this achievement wouldn't have been possible without the support of my mentors, especially Kaf sir, Asaf sir, Mudassir sir, Wajahat sir and the entire MAFIC team. And special thanks to all behind the scene members whose quiet efforts made a big difference. Your belief in me, your guidance, and your tireless dedication truly shaped this journey. Thank you, Mafik, from the bottom of my heart. And this success is as much yours as it is mine, and it truly belongs to all of you. Again, Jazakallahu Khairan.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I am Rayhan Beg, a student of Mafek Delhi. Alhamdulillah, by the mercy of Allah and the heartfelt du'as of my parents, teachers and well-wishers, I have secured All India Rank 1 in JMI BLLB entrance examination under the Muslim self-finance category, and that too in my very first attempt. The journey wasn't easy, but Mafek Delhi made it possible. The mentors here were more than just teachers. They were guides, motivators, and constant supporters. From deep concept building to daily practices, every step was structured and exam oriented. I stayed fully focused on their materials and mocks. Alhamdulillah, around 60% of the actual exam questions were directly or indirectly based on what we practice. That is not just training, that is true transformation. I am deeply thankful to Kaif sir, Wajahat sir, Mudassir sir, Awsaf sir, and Zia bhai, and the entire Mafek team for their tireless support. Thank you for listening.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। तो मेरा नाम रासिक इरफान है और मैंने 12वीं जमात की तालीम जो है वो अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी से मुकम्मल की है और अभी मैंने जामिया BLLB का एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम दिया था, जिसमें अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मेरी SFS में सेकंड रैंक आई है, जिसके लिए मैं शुक्रगुज़ार हूँ अपने रब का। और उसके बाद मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा माफिक और उसमें पढ़ाने वाले उस्तादों का, जिनकी मेहनत के बदौलत हमारे जमात से लगभग 25 प्लस बच्चों का स्टूडेंट्स का सिलेक्शन हुआ। और मेरी SFS में जो सेकंड रैंक आई है वो रेगुलर में भी हो सकती थी अगर मैं टीचर्स के दिए हुए गाइडेंस को और उनके रिसोर्सेज पर और उनकी बातों पर अच्छे से अमल करता, लेकिन उसमें मैंने कोताही की, जिसका मुझे बेहद अफसोस है। लेकिन फिर भी मैं खुश हूँ और मैं अपने टीचर्स का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा इस शेर के साथ कि शागिर्द हैं हम मीर से उस्ताद के रासिख, उस्तादों का उस्ताद है उस्ताद हमारा। शुक्रिया, अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Hello everyone, my name is Farhan Khan. I am a student of Mafek 2025 batch. Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Allah, I have been selected in Jamia BLLB entrance exam 2025 in self-finance Muslim category rank 4. Mafek play a very important role in my journey. They always motivate me and support me throughout the journey. I am thankful to whole Mafek faculty. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, myself Zulbi Ansari and I have cracked JMI BLLB entrance exam with an All India rank of 10 in Muslim category self-finance batch. I owe a huge part of my success to Mafek. Special thanks to Kaif sir, Asif sir, Mudassir sir and Mujahat sir for their constant support. Your motivation helped me stay confident throughout my journey. Every class, doubt session and mock test pushed me towards my goal. Thank you Mafek for believing in me and making this dream come true.